What? Is this not popular anymore? Is the Harlem Shake not popular anymore?
I don't think it is.
Was that a flash in the pan?
I think maybe that was a flash.
Hey, this is Chris McCall and Susie McCall.
Hey.
Hey, listen, we are coming to you because we are here to celebrate number 8.
Celebrate number 8. Number 8.
Inc. magazine came up with their top 5,000 privately held companies in the United States. And guess who was number 8? Susie, who was number 8?
Plexus Worldwide.
Plexus Worldwide was number 8.
High five.
High five.
What we've been telling you guys
Here
about.
is the thing. We need messengers. We are just getting started. Nobody even knows what the heck we're doing. We're doing the Harlem Shake in our car, in our Plexus Lexus.
Trying to get your attention.
To say, pay attention just for a second and let us show you what's happening.
Our products are the coolest products, hands down, you'll ever see.
The coolest products. We get texts and phone calls and private messages daily about how our products are transforming people's lives.
Testimonies, people.
I mean, and hey, we are talking about so much more than weight loss. Weight loss is like this on the scale of really what's happening with Plexus.
We hear
health,
the craziest health, cool stuff.
So listen, you know you're doing something right when a bunch of these type songs, flash in the pan companies, start coming up pretending that they're you.
Oh yeah.
They see all the big boys recommending us like Morgan Stanley and now Inc. 5000 and Inc. Magazine come going, oh, those guys are doing it right. I mean, it could be the type of companies that come and go are flashes in the pan.
Yeah.
We see them come and go every day. Matter of fact, since we've started this video, there's probably been 10 companies start and then fold since then.
That's probably true.
Plexus Worldwide is legit. You can put your future in it. 10 years from now, you and I can sit around and give each other high fives, right?
And y'all are going to say, remember those crazy people that were doing the Harlem Shuffle, Shake?
Right. We're
Whatever.
not talking, I mean, these companies, I'm telling you, Plexus Worldwide is here to stay. You'll see False Blindness Inc. coming up from here, but not, you know, all these different companies, I hear about them every single day. Pay attention to what we're telling you with Plexus. It's legit. Join us.
Whoever told you to watch this video, join at their website.
Hey, listen.
You won't regret it.
I wish the Harlem Shake had stayed here because it is fun.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.